Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and in this video, I want to show you how to join. So some of you have been asking, how do I join? I logged on a different YouTube account. This is STEM Healthy, and then I subscribed to my own channel. So this is TCC21, and then you'll see two join buttons. So on the top right-hand corner, you'll see this join. It's like a very light white, and then if you hover over it, it will turn light gray. And then underneath where it says our members, there's thank you channel members and then a shout out right here to these channel members. Then you have another join button to the right of it. So you can click on either one of those and then you're going to have this dialog box that will appear. Now it's tricky because notice on the left underneath basic, you have blue. This doesn't look like a button, and when you hover over them, I wish they made this like a light gray or a blue so you can tell it's actually a clickable button. So you can see blue word for $19.99 a month, the basic. So a lot of you have been just kind of joining the basic, but it's not going to give you access to all the videos. So what you have to do is kind of read through. This is a basic thanks, member shoutouts, and then click on more about perks. So these are videos from chapters 1, 2, and 3 on TESTOUT. Basic level shows your support to TCC 21. Thanks. All right. And then I kind of, underneath that basic, you'll see blue Word. So what I kind of did is just put like Microsoft Word, Excel. These are the programs you get. So blue for $20 a month, $19.99. Blue 100 Word. You'll get, click on more about perks. You'll get everything from basic and Microsoft Word walkthroughs. And then you would click on that blue button to join, and then it will take you over here to the payment. All right, so we're going to go back. So I clicked on join. Then we have green Microsoft Excel. So that is $29.99. And like I said, it gives you all the Excel, including all the Word and all the basic. So each level will give you all the previous levels as well. Then you have access and that join button, and then you can click on red PowerPoint. This, I don't show you exactly the certification exam. I show you the questions and what to expect, but I don't show you how to do them. But I definitely go through what the exam looks like and the questions on the exam and what you need to know exactly how to perform. Professor All Access, I will be posting, how to do and get that, the step-by-step certificate. And I'll show you, how to do that. And that's probably going to be a longer video, but really right now, PowerPoint and Professor All Access, this is pretty much kind of like the same. I think I added like one other perk, but nothing major until I get that other video here for professors to do and watch me take the certification exam. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or if you have any ideas or changes I should make, let me know. I do appreciate everyone. A lot of you guys are signing up for basic, which is great. I appreciate that. And under member shoutouts, if you notice, let me close out of that. On the home page, you'll see all the student and member channels. And even if you click on channels, every time I get a new member, a lot of these are mixed with students, but towards the bottom, you'll see these are all channel members. So thank you. Shout out to all these members: Terry, Vivid Killers, Lucas Wright, John, Alejandro, Merrick, Christopher, Jacob, Spencer. Where was my first member? You should be listed. I think I moved them up. Robert, that's my first member. So, I could subscribe because I'm on my second channel. So this is STEM Healthy. Let me switch accounts and I'm going to go to TCC 21. Perfect. So I see the same thing. There's the join button. And that's pretty much it. Oh, right here, I also see a membership tab. So you could possibly, to the left of the store, click on membership. And let's see, there's probably another way. Show perks. Or maybe not. And you could possibly click on any video where it says members only.
Hi, this is Miss Todoric. I wanted to
And then
show you,
right
this
here
is
to the
my
left of
office.
analytics.
There is
Maybe
my
my
mini
controller.
fridge. We are in the school.
Sloppy office.
This is where I do all my recording.
Let me fast forward.
If you notice,
and the classroom.
I put
So that's
all
what the classroom looks
businesses,
like
and I
on
got
one
a
of
whole
the
bunch of. So we are saving up for
private
like
videos that I posted. I'm going to kind of
my smart board.
just
Yeah. So if you are a member, I just
be giving you that
till
whole
next time.
chit chat. All right. So how do I do that? Escape. Get away. Oh no. Back. All right, we're back here. I don't even think there's a link. So that's pretty much it. I guess you could just open up any old video and then click on join.
Thing we're gonna do.
Yeah, it's pretty much on this tab. So that's how you do that.
The bottom of the screen.
You click on these levels and then you click on join.
Google Chrome.
Hope this helps. Thank you so much.
This so you can
Till next time. Bye bye.
On the upper right.